Hello future professionals, welcome to day 21 of our top 100 coding question analysis. Today we are challenged with a question to find the elements that are missing in the list 2 in comparison with list 1. Now that we have our problem statement defined, let's have a hands-on experience of solving the problem. We are given with two lists. To find the missing element, we shall use the set data structure, which is an unordered collection of unique elements. Let's start by converting both the list to set, that is, list 1 to set A and list 2 to set B. We do this by using the set method in Python. Alright, now let's convert the list 1 to set A. Set A will contain the elements 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. You can find that the extra 2 is missing. It is because the set does not allow repetition of elements. Next, let's convert the list 2 to set B. The set B would contain the elements 2, 3, B and C. Right? As we know, the set operations, especially the set difference of two sets A, B, will give us the elements in set A that are not present in set B. So, we shall use the set difference operation to find the elements that are missing in list 2 in comparison with list 1. Now, let's perform the set difference operation. Set A minus set B will be stored in result. Right? What is set A? 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. What is set B? 2, 3, B and C. Right? So, when we perform the set difference operation, we cancel out all the common elements present in both the sets. So, 2 is common in both the sets. 3 is also common in both the sets. B is common in both the sets. C is common in both the sets. Now, let's give the output of the elements that are not cancelled out in the first set, that is 1 and A. So, the resultant is 1 and A. We can also manually check this, as we see the set B does not contain the elements 1 and A. Now that we have got the hands-on experience, let's derive the logic from the solved example. The logic is that first we need to convert the list to set. Second, we must find the set difference as this will give us the result. Third, we print the result. Fourth, we terminate the program. Great, we have understood the logic, so let's put it into practice by coding our program. First, let's define a function to get the user's input. I name the function getUserInput. Here, we get the length of both the lists and create two lists separately by appending the elements to the list one by one. Next, let's return both the list 1 and list 2. Next, the second function is defined to find the missing elements. I name the function findMissing. It gets two parameters, that is list 1 and list 2. Here, we convert the list 1 to set A and list 2 to set B using the set method. Next, we perform the set difference operation and store the result in the result variable after converting the resultant to the list data structure. Next, we sort and return the result list. Now that we have defined all our functions, it's time we call them. Let me call the getUserInput function and store the return value in list1 and list2 variables respectively. Next, let me call findMissing function and pass list1 and list2 as the argument and store the result in the result variable. Next, we print the elements in the result list. Let's now check for any errors or warning signals. We have no errors or warning signals, so let's run the program. Let me input the same list with which we practiced in our hands-on activity. We get the output, the missing elements in list 2 are 1 and A. Thus, we have successfully completed our program. I hope you would have got the best out of this video. I recommend you subscribing our channel to get more such interesting videos. I would also recommend you to like and share our videos if you find it supportive and interesting.